Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, English Conversations Made Easy. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sarah. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Yes, we are. Our channel is all about learning English through fun, simple talks. No hard lessons, just real chats.
That's right. Today we're talking about how to introduce yourself in English. Have you ever felt nervous when meeting new people?
Oh, I have, like at a party or a new job. But don't worry, we'll show you through a simple conversation.
Exactly. Let's imagine we're at a coffee shop. We just met for the first time. Ready, Alex?
Sure, Sarah, let's start. Hi there, I see you're sitting alone. Mind if I join you?
Not at all. Please sit down. I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. I'm Alex.
Nice to meet you too, Alex. Where are you from?
I'm from New York. How about you?
I'm from California. I moved here last month.
Oh, that's interesting. What do you do?
I work as a teacher. I teach kids in school. And you?
I'm a student. I study art in college.
Art. That's fun. I like drawing sometimes.
Really? Me too. Drawing makes me happy.
Yes, it does. Do you have any hobbies?
I like reading books and playing soccer. What about you?
I enjoy cooking and walking in the park.
Cooking sounds great. I can't cook well. Maybe you can teach me one day.
Haha, sure. It's easy. Start with simple recipes.
Okay, I'll try. So, Sarah, do you have family here?
Yes, my sister lives nearby. She's older than me.
Nice. I have a brother. He's younger.
Brothers can be fun. Mine is always joking.
Mine too. He makes me laugh a lot.
That's sweet. Laughter is good.
Yes. So, how do you like this city?
I like it. The people are friendly. The food is good.
I agree. The parks are beautiful too.
True. I go to the park every weekend.
Me too. Maybe we'll see each other there.
That would be nice. So, Alex, why did you come to the coffee shop today?
I needed a break from studying. Coffee helps me think.
I understand. I come here to relax after work.
Relaxing is important. Life can be busy.
Yes, it can. But meeting new people makes it better.
You're right. I'm glad I met you.
Me too. Let's exchange numbers.
Good idea. Here's my phone.
Okay, type your number. I'll call you later.
Thanks. Now we can talk more.
Yes, friends are great.
They are. So that was our simple conversation about introducing ourselves.
Did you notice how we started? Just with hi and our names.
Yes, nice to meet you is key. It makes things friendly.
That's right. And asking where are you from helps learn more.
Right. Then what do you do for jobs or studies?
Hobbies too, like what do you like to do?
Family questions make it personal. But keep it light, no deep questions at first.
Exactly. And end with a smile.
Yes, smiles help.
Now let's try another example. Imagine we're at a work meeting.
Okay. Hi, I'm Alex. I work in marketing.
Hi, Alex. I'm Sarah from sales.
Nice to meet you. How long have you been here?
2 years. You?
Just 6 months. Still learning.
That's okay. Everyone starts somewhere.
True. What do you like about your job?
I like meeting clients. It's exciting.
Sounds good. I like creating ideas.
Creative work is fun.
Yes. Do you have any tips for me?
Be patient. Ask questions.
Thanks. I'll remember that.
No problem. Let's work together sometime.
I'd like that.
Me too.
See? Simple introductions work anywhere.
Now, one more. At a party.
Hi, I'm Alex. This party is fun.
Hi, Alex. I'm Sarah. Yes, the music is good.
Where did you hear about this party?
From a friend. You?
Same. My friend invited me.
Cool. Do you know many people here?
Not really, just a few.
Me neither. Let's chat.
Sure. What do you do for fun?
I like dancing. You?
I like sports, but I can dance a little.
Haha, show me later.
Okay, but don't laugh.
I promise.
Good.
Parties are great for new friends.
Yes.
So in all these talks, we used easy words.
Like, hi, I'm, nice to meet you.
Repeat them to remember.
Where are you from? What do you do?
Do you have hobbies?
Simple questions build the chat.
And listen well, that's important.
Yes. Listening shows you care.
Now, a funny story. Once I introduced myself wrong.
What happened?
I said, hi, I'm Sarah from the moon, by mistake.
From the moon?
Yes, I meant from the room next door, but I was nervous.
That's funny. Everyone makes mistakes.
Yes, laugh and move on.
Good advice.
Another time, I met someone, he said his name fast. I heard Alec, but it was Alex.
Like me.
Yes, I called him wrong all day.
Oh no. Did he correct you?
Finally, yes, we laughed.
Laughter helps.
It does.
Emotions make talks real.
Yes, feel happy.
Or excited.
Not scared.
Right.
Now, let's think about daily life.
Like at the store.
Hi, I'm Sarah. I need help.
Hi, Sarah. I'm Alex, the manager. What can I do?
Show me the books, please.
Sure, follow me.
Thanks.
No problem.
See, short and simple.
Or at the gym.
Hi, I'm Sarah, new here.
Hi, Sarah. I'm Alex. Welcome.
Thanks. Where are the weights?
Over there.
Okay,
Have fun.
you too.
Easy.
Now on the phone.
Hello, this is Alex.
Hi, Alex. This is Sarah. We met yesterday.
Oh, hi, Sarah. How are you?
Good. You?
Fine. What's up?
Just saying hi.
Nice.
Talk soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Phone intros are quick.
Yes.
Let's recap.
Start with hi and your name.
Say nice to meet you.
Ask where from, what do you do?
Talk about hobbies, family.
Keep it light and friendly.
Add humor if you can.
Mistakes are okay.
Practice makes better.
Yes.
Thanks for watching, everyone. We hope this helps you introduce yourself.
Try it in real life.
Or practice in the comments below.
Write a simple introduction about yourself.
We'll read them.
Like and subscribe for more conversations.
Hit the bell for notifications.
See you next time.
Bye for now.
Bye.